You want to protect your Ryker gas tank from buckles, zippers, keys, and anything else? Check out our mini tank cover. It wraps around the lower portion of the gas tank, providing a tailored fit. Easy to take on and off when cleaning your Ryker. Made with high-quality UV protected material to prevent fading. It gives it a nice flow with your seat and our MaxMount cover. Comes in black and red stitching for that custom look. Everything you need to attach it is included. This cover is made in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. Check out our complete line of covers and storage solutions to give your Ryker a unique style. Thanks for checking us out, and remember, it's your ride, only better with Show Chrome. I'm Keith, and I'll see you down the road.